So you've got one of the newer iPhones without a home button, and that little white or black bar at the bottom is driving you crazy, especially when you're taking screenshots or recording videos. I totally get it. It can be pretty distracting. Here's the thing though, Apple doesn't let you permanently remove this bar because it's how you navigate your phone, but there are some workarounds and situations where it automatically hides. When you're watching videos in full screen, the home indicator usually dims or disappears completely after a few seconds. Same thing happens in games and some apps that use full screen mode. The key is to not touch the screen for a few seconds and it'll fade out. For screenshots, here's a cool trick. If you take a screenshot while the bar is dimmed, like during video playback, it won't show up in the screenshot. Perfect for clean social media posts. Now, there are some accessibility settings that can help. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and look for Assistive Touch. Turn this on, and you get a floating button that can replace some home bar functions. It doesn't hide the bar, but gives you alternatives. If you're jailbroken, which I don't recommend for most people, there are tweaks that can hide it completely. But honestly, once you get used to the gesture navigation, the bar becomes pretty invisible in daily use. Truth is, Apple designed this system for safety and usability. The bar ensures you can always navigate, even if apps crash. It's annoying at first, but trust me, you'll stop noticing it after a week of use. Thanks for watching.